getting to know India. Before that only I told you by making the map we should know the India. अगर map तुम्हारे पास है exact map if you know you can know what how is the our India is. Okay, please if anybody is having the textbook, open your textbook, children. Open your children textbook, everyone. Okay, open your textbook. Dear student, look at the map of India. It's shown major river in India. Can you see the India's major rivers given over there? I want the major rivers. Come on, let me know. Search it and name them. They are often mentioned in a patriotic song also. Some of the maps in some of the patriotic song. One map patriotic song is there. Can you let me know which was the name of the patriotic song? हम लोग गाते हैं daily before our school start. One patriotic song we are singing. Let me know the name of that song, children. Before we start our class, before we start our okay, national anthem, very good. In national anthem, yeah, prayer is the national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, okay. And in that some of the rivers names were given over there. Name the river. Can you give me? Can you often mention the patriotic song? Ganga Yamuna, very good. Yamuna, okay, Ganga Yamuna, good, children, good. Okay. Can you remember us? We have Ganga Yamuna mentioned in patriotic song. Okay. Our country is rich with many rivers. Can you give me the name of the river, children? Can you search it there? Names? Can you search it the names of river? It's given R. With the R. See Ganga over there. Then Ravi is there. Satluj is there. Indus is there. Come on, search it, children. Search it for me. Our country is rich with many rivers, mountain and plateau. Let us see some of the names of river. Okay, Krishna is given over there. From towards the north, come on, from towards the north, I want the name. We can see the rivers such as Satluj, Indus, River, Ravi. Okay, Godavari is there. Good. Yamuna. Okay, Ravi. And so many are there. So many are there. Come on, search it. Arabian is a sea, beta. I am asking about the river. Who has given me the wrong answer? Arabian is a sea. Luni. Okay, good. Luni. Barak. Okay. Okay. Good. Shlok. Okay. Tapi. Very good. Okay. Good. Good. Means you know what is the river. This is our rivers. Okay. Shown in the map. This is our river shown in the map. Next slide. Thank you, children, for showing me the rivers. Okay, means towards the north we can see the rivers such as Satluj, Indus, river Ravi. See eastern part we can see the Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Ganga. Towards the west we can see the river Luni, Sabarmati, then etc. In central part we can see the river Narmada, Tapi, Godavari. Towards the south, river Kaveri, Tungabhadra, river Krishna. Thus, these are some important names of river in India. Now we will see our physical map. Okay, now we will see our physical map. Physical setup of India. There are diversity in physical differences. Diversity means differences in physical setup of India. Our country comparison, various mountains. We're having various mountains also there in our India. Then plateaus are there, hills are there, plains are there, forests are there. Stop chatting, children. Stop chatting. Okay. Plains are there, forests are there, deserts are there. Means so many different types of places are there in our India. Again, I am repeating for you. Various mountains are there, plateaus are there, hills are there, plains are there, forests are there, deserts are there. Some details of physical setup of India can be seen in physical map. Let us see now as we go to the physical map of India. We can see various mountains. Can you tell me the mountain name, children, now? Mountain in India. Some of them are, please let me know the mountain name. Please let me know the mountain name. This map can be seen in your textbook. Sahyadri, okay, good. Himalaya, very good. Yes. Then Satpura, very good, Dhruvi. Okay. This is all our mountains name. Good. Thank you. Thank you, children. The Himalayas, Ladakh, Sahyadri, Satpura, Aravalli. These are all the mountains. These are all the mountains. Next, we can see the hills. Can you see the hills over there? Can you see the hills over there, children? Can you name me? Please see the hills. Search it and tell me the names of hills. If possible for you to search. Okay, Kaimur, very good. Okay, then. No, teacher, you're not getting Nilgiri. Okay, good. I'm telling the hill's name. It's Ajanta, Mahadev, Balaghat, Satmala, and Nilgiri are the hills. These are the names of the hill. Search it and mark it with the pencil. Okay. Again, I'm repeating for you. Ajanta, Mahadev, Balaghat, Satmala, Nilgiri are the hills. Okay. Let us come to the plateau. Can you see the plateau over there? Can you see the plateau over there? It's a Chota Nagpur, Maharashtra, Deccan, Karnataka, Telangana are the plateaus. These are the plateaus. These are the plateaus. I'm repeating for you for the plateaus name. Chota Nagpur, Maharashtra, Deccan, Karnataka, Telangana are the plateaus. Can you see the plateaus over there? Yeah, Chota Nagpur. Very good. Yes, you can see. Yeah. Adi plateaus. Maharashtra also a plateau. Okay. Okay. Very good, children. Now we will see to the legs, some of the legs given in the map. Means so many things are there in our India. Can you imagine? So many things are there like mountain, plateau, hills, plains, forest, desert. So many things are there in India. Okay. Then we will see about the lakes. Can you see the lakes? Okay, Rakas lakes. Very good. Who got this? Ria. Very nice. Sambar Lake, Vullar Lake, Lonar, Pulicat, Kolirul Lake. These other lakes, Kolirul. Very good, Haripriya. You got the lakes also. Very nice, children. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Very good. Manasarovar. Very good. It's also lake. Okay, good. Very nice. Lunar Lake. Okay, Sambar Lake. Very good, Dhruvi. Very nice, everyone. Okay, Archana, Kolirul. Okay. Very good, Archana. Very nice, children. Pulicat. Okay, very nice. You are getting each and everything in that map. Means you know how to read the map. Means children know how to read the map. Very good, children. Okay, now we will see here where we have the Gulf. Now, can you know the Gulf? Can you see the Gulf over there? See in the textbook. If the PPT is not clear, please see your textbook. Open your textbook. You can see it clearly. Gulf of Mannar, Gulf of India, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Kambat. Can you see that Gulf over there? Gulf of India, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Mannar, Gulf of Kambat. Okay, Gulf. Then Gulf of Kutch and Kambat are to the west of India and Mannar is to the south of India. Can you see the west and south? You will get that Gulf also. Okay, a country comparison of various rivers, mountain, plains. Okay, okay, now stop chatting over there. The Indian subcontinent is surrounded by water from three sides. Can you see the sides over there? Can you see these waters over there? All blue color means what? Water is there. Blue color means क्या होता है? Water होता है. Blue color में क्या होता है? Water होता है. Okay? Means Indian subcontinent is surrounded by water from three sides and tapered towards the south. Thus, let us see our neighboring country. Next slide. Okay. We learn about the physical setup of India with the help of the map, children, and the questions given with it. हम लोग ने क्वेश्चन भी मैंने पूछे तुम लोग ने सर्च किए. Our country compares various rivers, mountain, plateau, plain, island, etc. The Indian subcontinent is surrounded by water on three sides and tapered towards the south. This part is called the Indian Peninsula. Indian Peninsula means क्या जो इंडिया का मैप में दिया हुआ है ना. टीचर previous slide please. Previous slide. This, can you see the children? V shape. Can you see this V shape? Here down V shape. It's called an Indian Peninsula. This is called an Indian Peninsula. Very good. This V shape is called an Indian Peninsula. Okay. Our northern border is defined by the lofty Himalaya range. Our country has forests, plains, and deserts. Next slide. Yeah. Next slide. Can you see this? Forest ranges are given, deserts are given, plains are given, mountainous range are given, marshy regions are given जहाँ पे पानी भी है और चिकन भी है. It's called a marshy. Okay. Then next slide. Water bodies. Let us see our neighboring countries. You can see towards the northeast part, that is Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh towards the south, Sri Lanka towards the northwest part of, you can see everything. Okay. Then the expanse of our country is large. The high about sea level varies and goes up even beyond 8,000 meters. Therefore, the weather condition changes from region to region. Therefore, our changes condition change होता है, region to region changes होता है. Okay, this gives rise to a wide variety of plants, animals and birds. Due to the changes in the region condition, weather condition changes, it gives rise to the various plants. इसके वजह से क्या होता है? Various plants होते हैं, उगते हैं. Animals, okay, they take a place. Then birds take a birth and all that. Similarly, there is also a difference in the crop cultivation. There are difference in the crop cultivation. Okay. Wheat is a primary crop in the north side. Wheat कहाँ पर ज़्यादा उगता है? In the north side. Rice is a primary crop in a south and along the coast. Rice कहाँ पे होता है? Along the coast means what? Konkan side. Along the coast means जहाँ पे समुद्र के बाजू में जहाँ पे वो लोग रहते हैं उसको called the along the coastal region. They are called the coastal side. Where they what they are eating? They are eating rice. What they are eating? Rice. Jawar is produced on a large scale in central India. Central India. This diversity has a significant effect on our lifestyle, customs, tradition, and culture. Okay, this diversity has a significant effect on our lifestyle, customs, traditions, and culture. Next slide. Can you see this picture, child? Penguin cannot be bring here. Okay, penguin को हम लोग यहाँ पे लाएंगे तो penguin can stay? No, they cannot stay because they need a cool region. They need a वहाँ पे उनको बर्फ लगता है penguin को. Okay, cactus can grow anywhere. Cactus can grow anywhere. Okay, then leopards are there. They can also grow anywhere. They can grow. They want to eat anything. Okay, different types of flower. Okay, different types of flower. Okay, next slide. Now, what is customs and tradition? Peoples of many different castes, tribes, and religions live in our country. That everyone knows that we are living in means all our different castes, tribes, and religions live in our country. Many different languages are spoken over here. Only one language is there? No, there are different languages spoken in our India. We also see the difference in food, yes or no? So many different types of food we are eating. If we see a South Indian, different types of food are eating, they are eating. Maharashtrians are eating different types of food. Punjabis are eating different types of food. Konkanis are eating different types of food. Means so many caste, religions, उनका उनका ट्रेडिशंस अलग है, पहनावा अलग है, उनका खाने का स्टाइल अलग है, सबका अलग अलग है. वो कहाँ पे मिलता है? इन इंडिया. Okay, closings are different, festivals are different, and celebration in the different regions. सबका अलग अलग होता है. Yes or no? Yes. Next slide. India is a democratic republic. India, the capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of India is New Delhi. Considering the area, Rajasthan is the largest state in India. See, children, India is a democratic republic. The capital of India is a New Delhi. The capital of India is what? New Delhi. Considering the area, Rajasthan is the largest state in India. It is followed by Madhya Pradesh. It is followed by Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra is in the third place. Sorry. Goa in the state with a smallest area. Again, I am repeating for you. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. It is followed by Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra is in third place. Maharashtra कौन से place पर है? Third place पे. Goa is the state with the smallest area. Goa is the state in has in state smallest area. Next slide. Can you see our country, India? Everyone can see the country of India. Okay. Can you see the seas over there? How many seas are there? Let us study about the water body of India. The first one, can you tell me which are the seas over there? Water bodies. Can you tell me names, children? Water bodies name. Come on, let me know the water body name. Bay of Bengal. Good, Dhruvi. Yes. Then Arabian Sea. Arabian. Very good. Very good, Haripriya. Archana. Very good. Kinjal. Very good. The first one is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Oceans. These are our water bodies of India. Water bodies of India. Other three water bodies are in three sides of India. Arabian Sea is to the west, and Bay of Bengal east, and Indian Ocean to the south of India. Where are these? See, again I am repeating for you. Arabian Sea is to the west. Okay, Arabian Sea is to the west, Bay of Bengal east, and Indian Ocean is the south of India. Indian Ocean कहाँ पर है? South side में है. कहाँ पर है? South side में है. Okay. This is our water body. Next slide. Can you see the states and union territory? Children, can you see the states and union territory of India? States कौन से और union territory कौन से? Please let me know. It's not clear. We should do small because it's not clear. Okay. Gopal, very good. Very good child. Okay, they are able to see now. Okay, states are given in a circle shape. Union territory is given in a black dot. Okay, Uttarakhand, in Chandigarh. Okay, these are all the states. Okay, Chandigarh. Okay, Odisha, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. Okay, Gujarat. Okay, so many states are there, and union territory capitals are also given. Capitals are also given over there. Okay, next slide. Now this is our official language spoken in India. Can you see how many languages are there? 22 official languages spoken in India. How many languages are there? 22. Which one is that? Kashmiri, Punjabi, Hindi, Nepali, Bengali, Odai, Gujarati, Marathi, Telugu, Konkani, Kannada, Tamil, and Malayalam. These are 22 official languages in India. They can be spoken over there. Can you see the names? Manipuri. So many languages are there. So many are there. Billy. Okay. These are the 22 languages spoken in India. Official languages. Okay. Next slide. Again, I am telling you, repeating for you, children. Means so many things are there in our Indian map. Indian map. Okay. Meaning what I told you about first one was what? That religious. I told you about the major rivers, then physical map in that hills, plateaus, and all that mountains. I told you. Then we saw what? Forest region, desert region, plains, mountain region, मासी रीजन मीन्स क्या होता है जहाँ पे पानी भी रहती है और चिक्कल भी रहता है. ओके, then different types of customs and traditions are there in our Indian map. Then I told you about that India is our democratic republic. हमको रिपब्लिक मिल चुका है. Then the capital of India कौन सा है? न्यू दिल्ली. Then Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. It is followed by Madhya Pradesh. Okay. महाराष्ट्र इज द थर्ड प्लेस. महाराष्ट्र इज इन थर्ड प्लेस. ओके, महाराष्ट्र कौन से प्लेस पर है? थर्ड प्लेस पर है. गोवा इज द स्टेट विद द स्मॉलेस्ट एरिया. देन आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द वाटर बॉडीज. हाउ मेनी? 3 water bodies are there. Then I told you about the state and union territory. Then I taught you about the official languages. 22 official languages are there in India. Means कितना कुछ है अपने इंडिया में. Now, apart from the Indian mainland, several groups of islands are also included in the Indian territory. The Lakshadweep Island. Now let me know what is island. What is island? Come on, let me know. What is island? In the Arabian side, Arabian Sea पर एक island है, लक्षद्वीप करके नाम है उसका. And what is meaning of island? Come on, let me know. Dhruvi, Kinjal, Haripriya, let me know. Archana, what is island? Sanskruti, can you write it? Beta, chat में लिखो. Island is a small place between the sea. Very good. Island is a small place between the sea. जहाँ पे लैंड है, सी के बीचों बीच एक लैंड होती है, छोटी सी, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? आइलैंड. वी कॉल इट आइलैंड. द अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल. अरेबियन सी पे कौन सा आइलैंड है? इट्स कॉल्ड अ लक्षद्वीप. अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल. The coastal island near the Indian mainland. Okay, all these islands have strategic location from the defense point of view. Okay, surrounded by water. Very good, Archana. All these islands have strategic location from the defense point of view. Long ago, forts were built on some of these islands. पहले के ज़माने में इस आइलैंड पे क्या बनाया जाता था? फोर्ट्स बनाए जाते थे. Of the coast of Maharashtra to safeguard the coast. These historical forts are known as a sea fort. These historical forts are known as a sea fort. Okay, we can see several such forts along the Konkan coast. Along the Konkan coast, हम लोग कहाँ पे देख सकते हैं several such forts along the Konkan coast. जहाँ पे हम लोग कोंकण पे जाओगे ना, कोंकण साइड पे जाओगे तुम लोग, you can see Janjira. It's a fort. Very good. It's in middle of the sea, I think so. I also don't know. I did not saw that. Okay. Next slide. Can you see the major crop area? That's jawar, rice, bajra, forest, and scrub are given over there. Means so many rice are given, so many bajras are there. See कहाँ पे क्या क्या उगता है. Wheats are given. Rice को R दिया गया है. Wheat को W is given over there in the map. Jawar को J, bajra को B. There is a diversity of plants, animals, and birds in our country. Okay, we can easily see this in the forested region. We must preserve this diversity. We must preserve this diversity. Next slide. This is our India. Everyone understood that what we have learned today? We studied India with the help of a map. We studied the landform and water bodies. Mango in Goa. Okay. Water bodies in India. Through activities, we obtain information about the various languages. So how many languages are there? 22 languages are there official. Then are various clothes, festivals, and other features of India. We identify some crops and transport route in India that we have learned today. Okay, now it's time for the question answers session.